हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 9th क्लास। कैसे हैं आप? वेल एंड फाइन, गुड गाइस। टुडे onwards we are going to start continuously the mathematics series, and here I will try to complete one by one all the units as per the conveniency of time. Okay, but just we have time, so we should continue. Here I am going to start first of all 12th unit. As per my criteria, first I want to include some units which we can easily understand through virtual classes, and after it we will process some difficult units face to face as well as virtual in both the medium. Now I am going to start the 12th units. Two exercise only here. Units very simple, but operations are little tough. Your concept for operation must be very clear. Whenever we are going to start any units, then what is our first stage? Our first phase or first stage is that what is the name of that particular unit. We must understand. If we are going to understand the name of that particular units, in that case we can say we are catching the theme of that unit, and whenever we are catching the theme of unit, डेफिनेटली वी कैन सॉल्व इट वेरी प्रॉपरली. क्योंकि क्या होता है बच्चों की, जब हम उस यूनिट का नाम समझते हैं, वो यूनिट क्यों दी हुई है, उस यूनिट के अंदर क्या हमें करना है, किस तरह के न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं, किस तरह से उसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे, जब ये थोड़ा सा क्राइटेरिया हमको लगता है तभी मजा आता है उस पर्टिकुलर यूनिट्स को करने का. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं आपके 9th एनसीईआरटी मैथ्स की यूनिट नंबर 12. आपकी जो यूनिट नंबर 12 है, इसका टाइटल है हेरोन्स फार्मूला. क्या है इसका टाइटल? हेरोन्स फार्मूला. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेरोन्स फार्मूला? फॉर व्हाट पर्पस वी आर गोइंग टू यूज? इट्स डेफिनेटली who invented this particular formula based on this. Okay, now what is the need of this formula? सबसे पहले हमको ये समझना पड़ेगा इस फार्मूले की जरूरत क्या है और कहां पे जरूरत है. ओके, देखिए क्या होता है कि अगर कोई ट्रायंगल दिया है, जनरली मैं बता रहा हूं कि जो हेरोन्स फार्मूला दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, बट एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल मेनी अनदर इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, स्केलर ट्रायंगल्स, right or not? Some other formula also, it is well known by us, because here was the first time we are reading, but previously also we were finding the area of triangles. Yes or no? Yes, we were finding previously. तो तब हम वो फार्मूला यूज कर रहे थे. अब हम ये फार्मूला क्यों यूज करें? क्या हम विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फार्मूला नाउ वी कांट सॉल्व? तो मैं आज सभी चीजें आपको बताने वाला हूँ. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, वो फार्मूला भी एप्लीकेबल है. कुछ कंडीशंस रहती है न्यूमेरिकल्स की, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम फार्मूला चूज करते हैं. देखिए जो हमने पहले फार्मूला पढ़े थे ट्रायंगल्स के, दैट वाज जनरली द मोस्ट कॉमन फार्मूला 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट. क्योंकि क्या हुआ था, जब हमको हाइट दी हुई है, जब हमको हाइट दे रखी है, इफ मींस हाइट इज गिवन ऑलरेडी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, हाइट गिवन है, तो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस इजीली वी कैन फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल विद द हेल्प ऑफ फार्मूला 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट. ओके, लेकिन कुछ फार्मूलास ऐसे हैं, हम इस तरह के जो फार्मूला हेरोन्स है वो हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे इस तरह के ट्रायंगल्स के क्वेश्चंस की डिस्कस करेंगे कि जहां पर मींस नो हाइट इज देयर, ओनली 3 साइड्स, ओनली 3 साइड, और 3 साइड्स अगर दी तो फार्मूला बहुत इजी है, बहुत ही प्रीटी फार्मूला है, वंडरफुल फार्मूला है, और इसकी मदद से हम लोग उस पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो क्या होता है कि जब आपको केवल साइड्स दी हुई, तो व्हाट आई कैन से दैट means area of triangle in the term of its 3 sides. We are finding with the help of this particular formula area of the triangle in the term of its 3 sides. Okay, अब देखिए क्या होता है, एक ट्रायंगल है यहाँ पर, see that one triangle is here. Suppose its sides are A, B and C. 3 sides are here. One side is A, another one is B and third one is C. Okay. अच्छा, इस फार्मूला की एक चीज मैं बताऊं. This generally this means this formula we can apply for all type of triangles. But generally we are using this particular formula for scalene triangles. Scalene, it means what? Sides, all sides are different. All sides are different. वो हमारा मेन केस है. उस केस के अंदर हम मेनली जनरली इस फार्मूले को यूज करते हैं, बट इसका मतलब नहीं कि हम दूसरे पे अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. अदर ऑल्सो वी कैन अप्लाई, बट जनरली वी आर अप्लाइंग फॉर स्केलर ट्रायंगल्स. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, इस जो फार्मूला है आपका हेरोन्स का फार्मूला, राइट, इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन का हेरोन्स. ओके, हेरोन्स फार्मूला, हेरोन, हेरोन, हेरोन्स. ओके, हम इससे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल निकालेंगे. सपोज ये हमारा एरिया है, ये ट्रायंगल है, और इसका ये एरिया हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फार्मूला है हमारा एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एज पर द हेरोन्स एस स्क्वायर रूट एस टाइम्स एस माइनस ए टाइम्स एस माइनस बी टाइम्स एस माइनस सी। फिर से सुनिए, स्क्वायर रूट एस माइनस ए टाइम्स एस माइनस बी टाइम्स एस माइनस सी। अब क्वेश्चन मार्क क्या होता है कि ठीक है, इट इज इन स्क्वायर रूट। ओके, अब व्हाट इज एस हियर, व्हाट इज ए एंड बी एंड सी, जस्ट आई डिस्कस यू कि ए बी एंड सी these are the three sides. Okay, now as is here, what is as here, as is here semi parameters. as क्या है यहां पर, सेमी पैरामीटर्स है। किस फॉर्म में है, a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c by 2 means here semi parameter is s और उसको हम कैसे डिनोट करते हैं, s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2। क्या बोलते हैं हम, s क्या होता है, एक्चुअली इसका पैरामीटर है, तो उसको कैसे, व्हाट इज इट्स फार्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द s। यदि s हमको निकालना है तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे, a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c by 2 means s, small s is here semi parameter of that particular triangle, s semi parameter of that particular triangle. Okay, so now guys see here, area of triangle is equal to square root s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Okay, I just told you we use to find area of any triangle this particular formula. Generally we use for calculating area of a scalene triangle. It is very useful, it is very useful किस समय पे, when it is not possible to find the height of the triangle, height is not given as well as not possible to find how height। देखिए अगर क्या होता है, जनरली इफ यू डोंट हैव हाइट, तो हाइट अगर नहीं रहेगी तो हम एरिया नहीं निकाल पाएंगे। तो ये फार्मूला हमारा वहां पर हमको हेल्प कर रहा है। यदि आपको हाइट नहीं दी हुई है एज वेल एज यू कांट फाइंड हाइट, आप हाइट को फाइंड भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, तब आपको क्या यूज करना है, दैट टाइम ओनली यू हैव टू यूज दिस हेरोन्स फार्मूला। ओके, when it is not possible to find the height of the triangle, that time this particular Heron's formula is very very useful. So it is s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Okay, one examples I am writing for you, then you can understand how to use this Heron's formula. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 12 cm, 60 cm and 20 cm. One triangle is here and his sides are 12, 16 and 20 simultaneously, means a is equal to 12, b is equal to 16 and c is equal to 20. Let the side of the triangles be a is equal to 12, b is equal to 16 and c is equal to 20. We know that semi parameters, I told you already how to find out the semi parameter s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So here we will find out for this digits, it's the semi parameters. The s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. If you are going to add, then a means 12, b means 16, c means 20. So 12 plus 16 plus 20 upon 2. 12 plus 16 plus 20, 12 and 20, 10 and 10, 20 and 6, 26 and 2, 28 plus 20. It means 48. What we got? 48. Now 48 divided by 2. Then you will get 24. So what is our semi parameter? It is 24 centimeter. Now very simple, a given, b also given, c also given, as well as require s, and then we got the value of s also. ठीक है ना, हमने s को फाइंड आउट कर लिया है और a b c given है। now no problem, not at all, directly we can apply formula. What is our formula? Square root s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. We will put here the proper values. On the place of s we are going to write 24. Again s minus a means 24 minus 12, 24 minus, because value of a is 12, 24 minus 12 times 24 minus 16 times 24 minus 20. इन न्यूमेरिकल्स के अंदर आप कोई सा भी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करो, इट्स रिक्वायर कि मींस कैलकुलेशन मस्ट बी वेरी केयरफुल। थोड़ी सी भी अगर आपकी गलती होगी तो देन यू कांट गेट द आंसर। अब यही हमको ध्यान रखना है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन एज वेल एज सब्ट्रैक्शन मस्ट बी वेरी प्रॉपर। सो 24 minus 12, then after 24 minus 16 and then after 24 minus 20. 24 same to same, 24 minus 12 then we got 12, 24 minus 16 then we got 8 and 24 minus 20 then we got 4. What we got? Square root 24 into 12 into 8 into 4. अब now we have to find out here square root very properly. We have to find out square root very properly. Two ways are there. One way is there कि we have to see here the digits. Sometime separately also we can find out. If you are going to see this particular case, then it is not easy to find separately, because 24, then 12, then 8, then 4, for all digits separately, it would be not easy to find. Okay, so here if you are going to multiply, then we will get the answer. If you want, then we can try separately also. I will show you how we can try separately also and how we can try together also. Okay, this concept I told you already. Now I am solving here, then easily with the help of this particular formula, how to find out the area of triangles, you will understand. Look, just here do you understand, we got this thing after subtracting. So what we got after the subtraction? We got here 24 into 12 into 8 into 4 square. 24, 12, 8 and 4. Now we can do another process is this. 24 into square root 12 into square root 8 into square root 4. This also we can do. Okay guys. Now here if you are doing this thing, then separately we have to find. Suppose 24 with the help of 2, then 12, then again 2, then 6, then again 2, then 3, then again 2, not possible, then 3, now 1. So what we got for the 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, और 8 3 ja 24. Okay, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं बच्चों? On the place of 24, we can write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now 12. अब निकालते हैं हम 12 के लिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. यस 12, 2 6 जा 12, 2 3 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3, 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. Then what we can write on the place of 12? We can write 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, अब same manners for 8. We have to find out for 8. 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. What we can write? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and now 4. So it is well known, 2 into 2. Clear this thing? Okay. Now look, which things is 2 that will come out of square root. Okay, and which are the single, that particular digit will write inside square root. If here we are going to see, then how many times 2's? 3 times. For this particular 2 times, we will write 1 time outside. Okay, now inside what is remain? 2 into 3. Okay guys, see here also 2 times, then 1 time we have to write here, and then we have to write inside what is 3. Same you have to see here, how many times? 3 times. For 2 times it will come outside, out of square root, and remaining is 2. 2 times, then direct 1 time. Okay, clear this thing? Now see here, what we can do? Here we can write like this. This digits we have to write together. This 2, then 2, then again 2, then 2, then again 2, then 2, then again 2, then 2. Okay, now what is remain? That we have to see. Remain under root 2 into under root 3. 2 into 3, then I can write under root 2 into under root 3. Okay, both I have written. Then this is also under root 3. Okay, now this is also under root 2. Understand? Now look, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now see here, how many times 2 here? 2 times. Under root 2 into under root 2, then we will get 2. And under root 3 into under root 3, then we will get 3. Understand? Now multiply. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, and 32 3 ja 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. What we got? 96 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ये है हमारा आंसर, ये है हमारा मींस एरिया ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रायंगल विद द हेल्प ऑफ हेरोन्स फार्मूला। मैंने ये स्टेप्स आपके लिए क्यों लिए? इजीली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स इन स्क्वायर रूट, है ना। ये तो मैंने बात की थी क्या, इंडिविजुअली वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व, नाउ टुगेदर आल्सो वी कैन सॉल्व। हाउ? आई एम शोइंग यू, प्लीज सी हियर। कैन आई erase this thing you understand ना? Okay, together also how we can do, I am showing you. Here is given this, है ना, I am using black, then you can understand. We got our answer, not an issue, but by this method also we can find another also. How another? At the last moment this given, after it we will change something. 224 into 12 into 8 into 4. Okay, I told you separately also and together also. We are going to multiply this thing. 24 into 12, 12 into 8 and 8 into 4. If you will multiply these things, then what you will get? You will get 9216. In square root, what you will get? 9216. 9216. After it, you can find out its factor is given. Look here, I solved this thing. See please one time. Same manner. Divide by 2, then 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 3, then 3. Okay. If we are going to write this all in a square root, then what we will get? Look. This we have done here. And after it what we will get? 10 times the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and after it 2 times 3. Okay, now we want to out this particular things out of square root. In that case, what will happen? It is given 10 times. How many times it is given? 10 times. So out of square root, how many times you have to write? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or here given 2 times, then we have to write here 1. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and 32 3 the 96. स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. लुक देयर, इन बोथ द केसेस आंसर सेम. आपको जो वे आपको अच्छा लगे दैट यू कैन फाइंड. ये मैंने आपको इतना एक्सप्लेनेशंस डीप में इसलिए किया है कि व्हेन एवर इट इज नीडेड देन यू कैन अप्लाई द प्रोसेस इन दिस इंडिविजुअल मेथड आल्सो. इफ यू कैन डू देन टुगेदर आल्सो. how we got this thing, then you can see here. With the help of this process we got this all. Clear these things? Understand? Okay? So now we can start our exercise. Now we are processing exercise. See here guys, exercise 12.1, question number 1. First of all, we should read our questions very carefully. I am not in front of you. I am reading that questions very carefully, so please be concentrated and listen question. Here given in the question, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. देखिए क्या दिया हुआ है, a traffic signal board given is one traffic signal board and what is written on the traffic signal board, written here school ahead. Okay, is an equilateral triangle in which shape that particular traffic signal board, that particular traffic signal board in the shape of equilateral triangle. तो क्या समझ में आया कि when traffic board is there, okay, and its shape is equilateral. तो हमारे पास कौन सी काम की चीज मिली हमको इसमें? What is useful here? Useful thing is here equilateral triangle with side A. This is useful thing. Okay, find the area of the सिग्नल बोर्ड. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट्स एरिया. अब एक चीज हमको मालूम पड़ गई कि भाई ये जो हमारा बोर्ड है, ओके, सिग्नल बोर्ड, इसका शेप क्या है? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल शेप है. इसकी साइड क्या है? दिस पर्टिकुलर साइड इज ए. ओके, एंड व्हाट टू फाइंड? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट्स एरिया यूजिंग हेरोन्स फार्मूला, विद द हेल्प ऑफ हेरोन्स फार्मूला. इफ कोई कंडीशन भी देखिए, वन मोर कंडीशन इज हियर. इफ इट्स पैरामीटर इज 180 centimeter. Parameter is given. What is its parameter? 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? Parameter is given. Guys, parameter is given. Okay, and we have to find out its area. So question, now understand na, first phase is that only we have to read questions very carefully. If question understand, then only we can understand the solutions properly. Here see there, as per the question, side of signal board whose shape is an equilateral triangle. तो साइड हमने क्या है उसकी साइड, व्हाट इज गिवन, दैट इज ए. एज पर द गिवन साइड ऑफ ए signal board whose shape is an equilateral triangle is A. Okay, अब look here, we got side, है ना. After equilateral, it means what? All the three sides are equal. All the three sides are equal, and we have already one side. It means we got all the three sides. We got all the three sides, A, and A. Now what we have to find out? Now we have to find out semi-perimeters. Okay, and semi-perimeter is small s, that we have to find out. Its formula previously I discussed already. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. A plus B plus C upon 2. So now what we have to do? S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. On the place of A plus, on the place of B again A, and the place of C again A. So A plus A upon 2. If we are going to add then A plus A, it means 3A upon 2. So what parameter we got? We got the parameter 3A upon 2. Okay, now as we got A, B, C already we have. Now we have to use Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? S in square root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay, so now here we have to keep the values. What is our S value? S value is 3A by 2, and after it S minus A, it means 3A upon 2 minus A. Same 3 upon 2 minus A. Same 3 upon 2 minus A, because all three sides are equal. But that's all. Understood? Okay. देखो semi parameters, just we find S is equal to A plus A by 2. It means 3A by 2. Now area of signal boards with the help of Heron's formula, S minus A, and S minus A. Formula, actual formula is what? S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. But all the sides are A. In that case, S minus A times S minus A times S minus A. Now value we are keeping. What is the value of S? 3A by 2, and then 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. Okay, what remains? 3A by 2 is the same. If we are going to subtract 3 upon 2 minus A, how we will subtract? Look, 3A upon 2 minus A upon 1. What would be LCM? 2. 2 divided by 2. Then what we will get? 1. 1 multiplying 3A. Then we will get 3A. Minus 2 divided by 1. Then what we will get? What we will get here? We will get, guys, 2. 2 multiplying A. In that case, 2A. So 3A minus 2A, then what will remain? A by 2. तो क्या है बच्चों हमारा यहाँ पर? If we are going to subtract 3 upon 2 minus A, then we got A by 2. What we got? A by 2. Here also, here A by 2, here also A by 2, and here also A by 2. Okay. So 3 upon 2, then A by 2, and A by 2. Okay. Now we have to see here carefully. How many times A here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. Okay, and it is already square root. So out of square root, what would be? It would be A square. It would be A square. क्योंकि भाई कितनी बार है? अरे स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है और कितनी बार है? 4 टाइम से बाहर निकालो कितने टाइम हो जाएगा? 2 टाइम हो जाएगा. सिंपल. So A square. A 4 से क्या हो गया? कन्वर्ट A square. And now 3 single, then under root 3. R square root 3. And remaining here 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times 2 here? 4 times. Or you can multiply also. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, and square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so we got here 4. So guys, क्या मिला हमारा? The parameter under root 3 upon 4 into A square. Under root 3 upon 4 A square. Clear this thing? It's very simple. So we got here the parameter. Now listen. I told you in the question one more condition कि parameter of a ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बोर्ड इज गिवन 180 मतलब जो हमने अभी जो निकाला है पैरामीटर ये किसके इक्वल है, इट इज इक्वल टू 180. सो व्हाट वी कैन से, नाउ इफ पैरामीटर ऑफ a traffic signal board is equal to 180 centimeter, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. आप मुझे बताइए कि क्या है फार्मूला, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ पैरामीटर ऑफ एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. हमने यहां पर क्या निकाला था, हमने यहां पर निकाला था एरिया ऑफ सिग्नल बोर्ड. ये हमारा क्या आया, √3/4 into a स्क्वायर. अब हमको क्या चाहिए, वी वांट a. जब हमको a मिल जाएगा देन वी विल गेट आवर आंसर. अब a हमको निकालना है, उसके लिए हमको कंडीशन दी हुई, क्या कंडीशन दी हुई है कि पैरामीटर ऑफ ए ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बोर्ड इज 180 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, पैरामीटर ऑफ ए ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बोर्ड. और अभी मैंने बताया था क्वेश्चन के अंदर कि ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बोर्ड का शेप क्या है, व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बोर्ड, इक्विलेटरल. इट इज द शेप, इट्स शेप इज इक्विलेटरल. तो जब इसका शेप इक्विलेटरल है तो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ पैरामीटर ऑफ ए इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, द फार्मूला ऑफ एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल to find the parameter is 3a, is 3a. Then what we got, 3a is equal to 180, 3a is equal to 180, 3a is equal to 3a is equal to 180. So from here we will find out a. 180 divided by 3, 180 divided by 3, so 60. Okay, so what we got, the value of a 60 centimeter. We got the value of a 60 centimeter. Now work is over. Now the area of signal board we can find out. We can easily find out. How to find out? ये हमारा मिल गया √3/4 into a square. √3/4 into a square and a square plus what we have to write? We have to write 60 into 60. या 60 का square. √3/4 into 60 into 60 means we can divide this 60 by 4. 4 1 4 and 15 times if we split table of 4 then we will get 16. Okay. Now what is remain? √3, 15 or 60. What is remain? √3, 15 and 60. Now multiply 60 into 15. 15 6 are 90. So 60 and one more 0 means if we are going to multiply 15 out of 60 then what we will get? We will get 900. What we will get? We will get 900. So under √3 900. So what we got? The area of signal board 900 under √3 square centimeter. So hence we got what is the condition कि hence the area of the signal board when the parameter is 180 centimeter is 900 under √3 square centimeter. This is our answer. Okay, I think no problem. Once you have to do, it's easy. It's very easy. Any problem? Then please WhatsApp me. Okay, guys. So now the next 12.2, the remaining question in next video. Okay, bye.